Hello and welcome to ePrime. I'm Crystal. Dancehall artist Ninja Man was remanded yesterday after High Court Judge Justice Martin Gale ordered his impending murder trial to commence. The order was given following an application by the entertainer's attorney, Valerie Nita Robertson, for a stay of proceedings in the near-decade-long case, which has featured 17 trial dates and 23 mentions. Ninja Man, whose given name is Desmond Ballantyne, along with his son Janeel, are charged with the March 2009 murder of Ricardo Johnson on Mile Road in Kingston. He was granted bail in 2012. A rare exhibition of unique Jamaican contemporary art. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the Honorable Olivia Grange, has endorsed an exhibition that features the works of 5 Jamaican self-taught artists. The exhibition takes place at the Highgate Gallery, located in the Highgate Literary and Scientific Institution in London, England. It was endorsed as a Jamaica 55 celebratory event and notes the importance of art in framing Jamaican culture. The art exhibition features the work of Christopher Harris, Kingsley Thomas, Leonard Daly, Evadne Cruikshank, and Berth Ras Dizzy Livingstone. The exhibition opened last weekend and will run until October 26. Dancehall artist Version is eyeing the Latin dancehall market. The new single from the artist is titled Te Amo and is receiving traction internationally. Te Amo is produced by Consequence Music and J1 Productions and at present is enjoying strong rotation, particularly in Central and South America. It's official. American rapper Gucci Mane and fiancée Keisha are now husband and wife. The two tied the knot last evening at the Four Seasons Hotel in Miami, Florida. The all-white themed wedding, which boasted a budget of over $1 million, was streamed live on the BET network as a premiere for the couple's 10-part reality series titled The Main Event. The two have been dating since 2010 when Jamaican-born Keisha first met Gucci on the set of his 911 emergency video shoot. She went on tour with him after they hit things off, and in 2006, the 36-year-old rapper popped the question at a basketball game. Congratulations to the happy couple. And that's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.